Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to screen record with sound on any Oppo phone. Now to do that, just swipe down from the top of the screen and open the control center. In the control center, just look for the option screen record. Now if you cannot find the screen record option in the control center, just tap on the three dots over here and tap on edit tiles. Under more tiles, just look for the option screen recording. And once you find the screen recording option in the control center, just tap on it to add it to your control center. Then go back to save. Now from here, just tap on the screen recording option. Now to screen record with sound, just make sure you enable record microphone sound. And after you enable this option, you will be able to record your sound from the microphone of your smartphone. And if you want to record the system sound too, just enable this toggle and you will be able to record the system sound with your screen recordings. And after you do that, then tap on start recording. And once you do that, you will be able to record the screen of your smartphone with the sound. And after you finish screen recording, just tap on the red icon over here to save the screen recording to your gallery app. Now if I open the gallery app, as you can see, this is the screen recording which we have recorded. To do that, you will be able to record the screen of your smartphone with the sound on the red. Now, if your Oppo phone does not have the screen recording option in the control center, and if you want to screen record with sound, then open the Google Play Store and in the search bar, just search this. Now from here, just install this app on your smartphone and tap on open. From here, just tap on enable. Now from this app list, just tap on X recorder and enable this option. After that, just go back and give this app this permission. And once you do that, a small bubble will appear at the side of the screen. Now just tap on this bubble and tap on the tools icon over here. Now under control settings, you will find the option of audio settings. Just tap on it and from here just select from where you want to record the sound. By default, it is on mute, but you can select internal sound and microphone, or you can select internal audio only, or you can select microphone only. For now, I will select internal and microphone audio. Then tap on done. Now from here, just tap on the X icon. Now to start screen recording, just tap on this icon on the screen and tap on the red dot. Now from here, just make sure you select entire screen, then tap on start. And once you do that, you will start screen recording on your Oppo phone. And once you're finished screen recording, just tap on the icon over here and tap on the red square like that. And once you do that, you will finish screen recording. And to find your screen recordings, just open the X Recorder app. And once you're finished screen recording, just tap on the icon over here and tap on the... And this is how you can screen record with sound on any Oppo phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.